Hello, welcome back to the Translators Tech Corner channel. I'm glad you're here. Today I'll just focus on a simple feature that I love in Wordfast Anywhere, and that is the segment toolbar. So for example here I have segment 7 opened and I have several buttons that are available to me to be able to click on them and to have them right above the area where I am translating. And if I want to set this up further, I can decide which buttons I want to find in there. And just want to show you where and how you can set this up. So let's go to the Wordfast Anywhere tab and we'll select Setup Wordfast Anywhere. Now let's go to the Pandora's box. And in here, number 15 is where we can customize the segment toolbar. So let's click on the pencil, and on the right, I see what is already present in my segment toolbar, but I can change that. I can, for example, if I don't want to have the shrink segment option, I can just select it and click on the left arrow to put it back, or I can decide to put it again, and I just select it and click on the arrow here. If I want, for example, to have a button to add a term to the glossary, I can select add term and put it there. Of course, these buttons all have keyboard shortcuts that you can set up. But if you want to be able to click, that's where you will find these options. And let's add concordance because that's a nice and useful feature too. So now I'm good here and I can close. Now notice that I have just closed this window. I have not saved yet. And now that I'm back to the main window, that is when I will save my settings. So I click now on Save Settings. And let's see if my new buttons are there. Yes, I see here Add Term to the Glossary and here Concordance Search. So that is nice. It is a useful feature to have the segment toolbar, and you can customize it the exact way you want so that it will help you translate more comfortably. Well, I hope you found this useful, and I'll be talking to you in the next one. Bye bye.